Uh, ఒక చిన్న వెబ్సైట్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను. KNU college details. So actually, let me tell me in English. I just created a website which is based around the information about KL University. About KL University, and I created a very small website. So let us go into the website. Before that, I need to just show you how I did that. So here, to avoid confusion, I have just created a folder which is known as links. So this is my folder. This is links. This is my folder. These are my files which I had used to create a web page using HTML coding. So let's just see the code which was inside this. So as we know, HTML opening tag and closing tag. And if you use the frame set tags, then we need to just give the rows, columns, and we need to just give the frame names, and we need to give the columns and again the name. So we need to just define those names so that these things are useful for the further purpose. In the next files, we can just use these things. So these are used for the next purpose. Uh, and then are used for these can be declared by using the frame set attribute. So we have just done this. After that, I had just redirected it to a folder which is klu.html. Uh, just click on this. Till now, we have just come till here. So this is the main view of my web page. My web page. This is the main view. And if we go into the KLU, so this is KLU .html file. If we look it from outside, this looks like this. But as we use the frame set attribute, it just gets divided into three parts. The whole page gets divided into three parts. So let's see this code also. What's inside this code? Okay, I just open this. So this is inside the code, and then this plays a crucial role in our web page. So this plays a crucial role. Here I just open HTML and I had closed it. We had also opened the body and we also closed it. And we kept a heading which is links. So let's change it. Click the below links. Okay, I had just changed this for something which is very nice to look. So I just changed it a small thing, right? Okay, let's get into this. So this plays a crucial role, as I said before. So I was just using the A attribute, and by using href, I was just declaring the path of the another HTML file. I was just declaring the path of it. So by using this, I was just declaring the path of this files so that, and I'm also giving the target means nothing but by executing this files it needs to show some output, right? So the output will be displayed at the right side of the layout. Right means, as I said, in the main sorry in the main, as we said, I will say, I said that I will use this in further programs. So as we defined it with a name, right, so it will display the output to the right side of the layout. That means, uh, let me show you here. So this is the place. You can see my mouse cursor, right? So here the output will be displayed. So let us see the output at last. But let us discuss about this. KLU1 is about courses in KLU. KLU2 is about the fee structure. KLU3 is about sports in KLU. KLU4 is about the contact details, which were regarding the KLU University. So okay then, so these are the files which I use it for this web page. So okay then let's get into the KLU1. Okay, so let's just look once. So this is KLU1. These are the courses in KLU, BTech courses and MTech courses. So let's get into the code which was inside that. So I was just opening this with Notepad to check the code what is inside. As usual, I just open the HTML tag and closed it. I also open the body and closed it. And here comes a new thing, that's table attribute. So here comes the new thing, that is table attribute, and I was just giving the border for it for a better look. Just we can say the style thing for the table. TR means the table row, and TH means the table heading, and TD means table data. So if we just give this table attribute and if we give a table row, it creates another row. So here we can just give some heading, and here we will give the data. So BTech courses in KLU is the heading, and this is the data which is going to be displayed on the screen. And the table row tag is closed, and I'm opening another one which is for MTech courses in KLU. So this is the heading, as I said before, TH tag, and this is data which is going to be displayed. So this is TD. So this is KLU1.html, and then as we come to the first thing, so courses in KLU has been completed. So next we need to just discuss about the fee structure, which is in KLU2.html. So I'm just opening this thing. KLU.html, this is the file. Fee structure for BTech and fee structure for MTech. Let's forget about this matter. This is just for the viewing purpose. So let's get into the code. Let's see what is there inside. If you just get into the code as it is, as normal, I had just opened HTML and closed it, and I opened the body and I closed it. And again here I'm using the table attribute and giving the border as 10. And I was just using table row attribute, and I was just showing the fee structure for BTech as a heading. And I was just writing these things here. So this is table data, and I'm opening another row, and I was just giving the heading and writing the data fee structure for MTech. So I was just closing this row too and closing the table tag, body, and HTML. So this is KLU2.html. And the third one is sports in KLU. So what are different types of sports in KLU? We can see this in KLU3.html. So as I said, KLU3.html. Let's open this. So these are the names of the sports which we can see in table KLU3.html. Let's see what is in the code. I'm just opening with the notepad. So okay, then I just open this with notepad. So as it is, I just open the HTML code and I close it, the HTML and also the body. So here comes another new thing. By using image attribute, I was just adding a picture of a person playing cricket, as you can see here. This thing. So I just added it by using the image src attribute, so that width and length are given as follows. And this is unordered list. Unordered list is nothing but we can't that's another case. Unordered list is another case. I just use it for the purpose of creating a web page. So this is list items. These are the list items. So we can say these are the sports which were in KLU. These are some of the sports which were in the KLU, and this is the image which is used in that web page. So I just closed the list tag and the body tag and HTML tag. And again, here comes the last thing, that is contact details for KLU. So these are contact details for KLU, and we can see those in KLU4.html. So let me open KLU4.html. So this is contact details. So contact number and address. So these are the details which were required for KL University. So let me open what is inside this code too. Okay. KLU4.html. Here as it is, I just open the HTML tag and close it, and the body also close it. And here by using table giving a border as 20, I was just opening a row and giving a heading as address, and I was just giving the data KL to University Greenfields for days from Guntur district, pin code, etc. So I was just using another row, and I was just giving the details, contact number, the administrator office number and the campus number. So these are contact details. So I was just closing the row, table, body and HTML tag. So these are the four HTML files by which I was just controlling the whole web page. So we can say like that, the controlling of the whole web page is done with these four, and these four are controlled in this one KLU.html. So the whole thing is converted in this main thing. So this is main.html. As we can see now, if we see the courses in KLU, see these are courses in KLU. We can see that. Okay, this comes at the right output again. So we need to see the fee structure, right? So this is the details about the fee structure. So these are the sports in KLU, some of the sports in KLU, and these are the contact details. So this web page is created with a basic HTML formatting attributes, basic HTML formatting attributes. So later I will just go through it, and I will just create a web page by using cascading style sheets. So that thing is not completed till now. I was just starting that thing. So it may take some time. So this is a web page which is based on pure basic HTML attributes. So thank you.